Update on the freezer. The small one was on this side. I ended up taking it out because it was getting too much moisture on it, and it started to wet the bottom where we had our ice at. The big one actually was not doing it. It was the small one. But I need to turn it back down because I'm about to put the small one back in. But first, we are going to add ice up here now. This is what we're adding. No, I didn't. A lot of people didn't vote, so I already had Sonic Ice. So we're going with some Sonic Ice, okay? And I can't pour it because I don't have enough room for the cup, barely for my hand. So we're going to add it with my hand. I think I got a scoop. Hold on. Yep, we got our old Igloo scoop. We're going to use this. I can barely get that up there. I'm sorry, y'all. I can barely get that up there. Okay, I'm about to put the camera down so I can do more than show y'all what I did. That's what we got so far. Alright, so we got it up there. It is a lot up there. Probably don't look like it, but we are going to try to space it out. Getting it stuck to my hand. Perfect. That means it's nice and dry, what we want. We don't want the ice to be wet when we add the ice to the thing. Because if we put wet ice, hard ice. Okay? And we're adding the small humidifier in now because the big one is a little bit too big right now, okay? But I wish I could turn my fridge down. But like I was showing y'all, back here, it's locked in.